1, 2, 3 Viva الجزائر.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الجزائر. أنا اسمي ماثيو، عمري 12 سنة. تشرفت بوجودي هنا في الجزائر. هذه أجمل تجربة لي منذ سنوات، وأنا أعاني من أمور في المدرسة بسبب متلازمات الترويج. حلمي هو أن أصبح سفير أمريكا في الجزائر.
Hello, Matthew.
سلام.
I'm Daniel Aubin. I'm the spouse of the ambassador. She's asked me to come and welcome you in person to Algeria.
شكرا. Yes, I am honored. Alhamdulillah, I'm finally able to visit Algeria. America is a country that strives. Our fundamental values are built on helping others, are built on equality and diversity. So that is why, as a U.S. diplomat, I pledge to help invest in the Algerian economy and especially help the youth, the future of Algeria. Yes, I have been learning lots of Arabic, especially huge shout out to my amazing Arabic teacher, Sirine Taida from Constantine, which she is an amazing, wonderful teacher who has helped me progress for the last 6 months since January. Especially, I'm now able to say حلمي هو أن أصبح سفير أمريكا في الجزائر. نعم, الجزائر is one of the largest countries in the world, not even big for its size. I would consider it big for the warmth of its people. If I were to have to say, I would put Algeria as the biggest country in the world due to the warmth of its people.